Hello friends, this is Asif and you are watching Apple Mindset. Without wasting time, let's start the video. Open Instagram. Tap on your profile. You can see appears on screen top of the right corner 3 lines. Just tap on it. You can see appears on screen first one settings. Tap on it. And scroll down. Tap on payments. Tap on add payments. Tap on payment method. As you can see, payment method. You can see here's add payment method. Tap on it. Here is add your country region and type of currency and time zone of your country. And tap on done. That's it. If the video very helpful for you, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you need any help about Apple phone, you can comment me. I give you reply. Thanks for watching my video.